This is a how-to tutorial on installing tire chains. The specific chain we are installing is a radial chain by SCC. It's a spring style tire chain meant for smaller passenger type cars. Let's get started. Alright, so one of the first things you want to do is throw the tire chains evenly over the tire, and you want to make sure that these clips are facing upward. And then you want to make sure that your open ends of your tire chain are on the front side of your tire facing upward, and that your connecting end is on the back side of the tire. So front side of the car, back side of the car. So after the chain is placed like this, then you want to slowly roll the car ahead so that the chain is underneath the tire. Alright, so the next step after you move the car and the chain is underneath the tire is to bring the chains up so that they meet together and connect the open end to the connecting end. Some key points when connecting these type of chains is to make sure that both on the inside and the outside that you are an even number of notches on the chain, both on the inside and the outside. So on this size tire you would be on the third link. The next step, you can install these tire chain tensioners, which are essentially bungee cords with multiple hooks on them. This gives you the added benefit of your tire chains not losing slack while you're driving along. Lastly, let's drive it around a little bit. I'd recommend anywhere from 25 to 50 yards to make sure that all the slack is out of the chain and that it's tightly on the tire before you continue on. Also, make sure to turn your steering wheel fully one way and then fully the other way, and get out and check both times to make sure it's not rubbing on the inside of the wheel wells. And that should be it. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to install these tire chains. If you're looking for tire chains like this to buy for your own car, I'll leave the link down in the description. And I'll also leave the link for the tire chain tensioners in the description as well. Thank you.